Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need hardware first. Update iPhone, obtain Apple's Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, and have a USB-C to USB adapter or powered USB hub on hand. Plug the Lightning adapter into the iPhone, then connect the powered hub or USB adapter to the adapter's female USB port. Once done, plug your USB-C headphones into the USB-C to USB adapter or into the hub. This initial hookup hands the iPhone a digital USB audio device. Make sure cables are seated firmly. Once the hardware is connected, power matters. Attach the hub's external power to supply the USB-C headphones if they need bus power. Then open Control Center and look for the audio output selector. Choose the connected USB device if it appears. If iOS prompts to allow new accessory access, tap Allow and if offered, Trust. You may need to restart the music or streaming app. Make sure sample rate/bit depth mismatches are handled by the adapter. Otherwise, audio may be muted or unavailable. Now test audio playback. Set the iPhone volume and headphone volume and play a track to confirm sound. If nothing plays, disconnect and reconnect the Lightning adapter, then the hub and headphones. Sometimes iOS needs a re-enumeration. Make sure the hub is powered. Unpowered hubs often fail. If still broken, swap the USB-C to USB adapter or try a different powered hub. The single most important troubleshooting tip is to use Apple's Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter as the reliable bridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.